Hello everyone, welcome to Unlock Apple, and in today's video I'm going to unbox your laptop. Your laptops means this laptop I have bought today for my subscribers. One of you from my subscribers or can be new subscribers will get this Lenovo. This is Lenovo i5 with 8265 processor, the latest with 8GB RAM, ultra high definition graphic card with 6 MB cache and 256GB SSD. You have a hard drive. Let's open, let's see how this laptop is inside. Then I will tell you step by step what exactly you have to do if you want to get this laptop at your door. So a very first thing, I really appreciate the support I am always getting from my subscribers, new and old, and for this I have decided to give this laptop to you guys. Let's open it and see how and what you're going to get. Once you take out from the box, what you get, you have inside a packing that is coming out. Okay, as you can see, the color of this laptop is gray. More you got inside the box is a charger and the laptop only. Okay, we're going to take out the charger. Okay, we have the charger and laptop. Now we're just going to put this on the side. There you go. Okay, now the next thing what we're going to see is wrap. We have a regular charger inside the laptop, and let's remove the cover. Okay, this is the shiny front, a slim laptop. Alright, and once you open this, you can see this laptop have edges, display, and a nice keyboard. This is ideaPad S145 is waiting for you to send the best message and get this laptop. Let's try to on. A simple on off button. Alright, this is brand new, so of course you have to charge first. So till the time it get a little bit charged before we on, let's see the other sides of this laptop. What we getting inside is, of course, you are having 3 USB ports, 1 HDMI, and other side you are having headphones and a memory card slot. And on the back of the laptop is a simple laptop as you're having always. Now we will try to on. It's a slim laptop, is not heavy. All right, you have a webcam on the top of your laptop. This is i5, the 8th generation Intel, and you can see here you have two-sided narrow stylish design, and you have sound system from Dolby. All right, we'll try to on. We'll see how it's really work if you on this. Okay, you can see the white light on here on the keyboard, and we'll see the display, how it really works. Display on here, it on. Lenovo, the first screen comes. course this is on first time now, so it may take a little bit longer. The main thing, if you want to get this laptop on your door, make sure you send the best comment and follow the description what I'm going to add, and follow the pin message I'm going to add into this video. So once you get ready, then I will be announcing very soon the winner of this laptop. At this time, very soft touchpad. You have the softest touchpad. You have buttons here as you have on the mouse, same buttons you're having. And now you're going to set up this laptop. Of course, you're going to choose the country you are living in right now. And then we're going to start next. Once we set up everything, you press the on button, and the screen goes like that, and you can write down name, anything, and it comes welcome. And after, what are you getting? The first Windows desktop screen. And at this point, if you really want to check the specification of the laptop, you can go into settings. As you can see, you just touch the pad and how fast this laptop is moving, as this is i5, the latest one with 8GB RAM. And this is the specification. You can see is the latest i5 8265U CPU, 1.6 to 1.8, 8GB RAM. And if you want to have this laptop on your doorstep, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, give me the best comment to make me to post this laptop at your door. So once again, I really appreciate the all support I'm getting from every single subscriber, new subscribers. So keep watching, and for now, thank you and take care.